So what is catenation? Catenation. Now understand what is catenation. Catenation means it is the property of direct bonding between atoms of same element to form chains. Catenation is the property of direct bonding between atoms of same element to form the chains is called as catenation. Now what is the meaning of this catenation? It means that carbon will form another bond with carbon. This will form another bond with carbon. This will form another bond with carbon. Okay, this is catenation. A bond between carbon and hydrogen. This is not catenation. A bond between carbon and oxygen is also not catenation. Now why this is not catenation? It is because कार्बन अँड हायड्रोजन आर नॉट सेम एलिमेंट्स. सो ज्यांच्यामध्ये सेम एलिमेंट्स मध्ये बॉन्डिंग होतं त्यालाच आपण कॅटिनेशन म्हणतो. कार्बन हायड्रोजन, कार्बन ऑक्सिजन, कार्बन नायट्रोजन हे कॅटिनेशन नाहीये. So carbon being such a versatile element, it is found everywhere from plants, animals, everywhere you find this carbon. कारण तो कोणाबरोबर पण bonds establish करू शकतो. दोन कार्बनच्या मध्ये पण bonds establish होतात. This property is called as catenation. Okay, and the bonds are always covalent bonds because these are non-metals. So non-metals मधले bonds covalent bonds असतात. Is this concept clear to all of you? Just let me know. Bhagesh, afterwards I'll tell you when you have to show me something. All of you, is the concept clear to all of you? Along with carbon, even yes, actually, if it will be better if you all write down along with me. Now, don't write catenation because it's just a small concept. It catenation is also seen in another element like sulfur, but not all elements show catenation. सगळे elements catenation दाखवत नाहीत. फक्त carbon, sulfur and to some extent lead shows catenation. Other elements do not show catenation. Okay. So now if the concept is clear, then we are going to the next part, that is hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons and classification of hydrocarbons. I'll be sending you the notes, Jairaj, not today, probably after 1 or 2 days, I'll show you the notes. Till that time, if you want to write down the notes, then you can just go through these slides and you can make rough notes. Diatomic form, but since they are not forming any long chains, so they will not be called as catenation, right? Because it's, yes, it is not a longer chain, so you will not call it as catenation. Okay, so now next concept we are seeing is very, very important. Next concept is hydrocarbons. So understand what are hydrocarbons. See what are hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, they can be defined as, now as the name suggests, hydrocarbons काय आहेत? These are the compounds containing only hydrogen and carbon. What are hydrocarbons? Compounds containing only hydrogen and carbon. ज्या कंपाऊंड्स मध्ये फक्त हायड्रोजन आणि कार्बन आहे त्या कंपाऊंड्सला आपण म्हणतो हायड्रोकार्बन्स. ठीक आहे. नाव आय विल बी शोइंग यू द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हायड्रोकार्बन्स. सो on the next slide I'll show you how are hydrocarbons classified. All right. Classification of hydrocarbons. Of hydrocarbons. I am repeating again. What are hydrocarbons? Compounds containing both hydrogen and carbon are called as hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are further classified into two types. That is, they are open chain and closed chain. So they are open chain and they are closed chain. So hydrocarbon are of two types, open chain and closed chain hydrocarbons. Okay. Now, open chain hydrocarbons, they are further classified into two types. Now, these hydrocarbons, firstly, they are either branched or unbranched. So they are either branched or they are unbranched. Okay. And they are also further classified as whether they are saturated or unsaturated. So they are saturated or they are unsaturated. So this is unsaturated. Okay. Now these saturated hydrocarbons, they are commonly called as alkanes. Alkanes. Okay. And unsaturated hydrocarbons are further classified into again two types. And those two types are alkenes and alkynes. Okay, now these alkenes, they have a carbon-carbon single bond. That means two electrons are shared. Alkenes, they have a carbon-carbon double bond, and alkynes, they have a carbon-carbon triple bond. I have to draw a triple bond over here. Just wait. We can see over here triple bond. Wait. Okay, so this is a triple bond. This, you can see this small blue line. So this is a triple bond. Now general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. General formula of alkenes is CnH2n, and general formula of alkynes is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Closed chain hydrocarbons are aromatic or ring compounds. Ring compounds. Now let me explain you what is closed, open chain, branch chain and all that. Okay, let me see if I can draw something over here. Hmm. Yes. Now listen. First you understand this chart, then I'll explain you everything again. See Gargi, this is the first slide. Catenation, property of direct bonding between atoms of same element to form chains. So atoms of same element can form chains like this. It is called as catenation. CH is not catenation, CO is not catenation. Along with carbon, sulfur also shows catenation. Second concept I explained is hydrocarbon. The compounds containing only hydrogen and carbon are called as hydrocarbons. We are classifying hydrocarbon, that is compounds of hydrogen and carbon, as open chain. Open chain has two types, branched and unbranched. Now let me show you in the next slide. I'll stop this screen share and this concept I'll explain it to you in another slide so that I can show you properly. See, what is open chain? Open chain. Open chain hydrocarbon means here the chain of carbon atoms is open like this. Okay. Branch chain hydrocarbons. Branch chain hydrocarbons means C, 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 and if I draw a carbon here, it will become a branch chain. Am I clear with this, all of you? So this is open chain, this is branch chain. Okay, let me show you the slide again. This is, it was open chain, branched and unbranched. Branched, I told you, it is having a branching. Unbranched is straight or linear. Saturated, carbon carbon single bond, 2 electrons are shared. Unsaturated, carbon carbon double bonds, 4 electrons are shared. Alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay, suffix of saturated hydrocarbon is ane, alkane. Ene for alkene and yne for alkyne. Let me show it to you again. This is ane for alkene, ene ene for alkene and yne for alkyne. Okay, alkane has single bond, alkene has double bond, and alkynes have triple bond. Now is it clear to all of you? Just let me know. Closed chain, wait, I'll show you the closed chain structure also. So closed chain structure, closed chain. Suppose this is carbon, it is bonded to another carbon. This carbon is bonded to another carbon, and these three are linked together like a ring. Then it is called as a closed chain structure, or it is also called as aromatic. Aromatic because these have a particular aroma or a particular smell. Okay, so let me know if this is clear to all of you. Please write down with me so that you have intact, everything intact in front of you, because I have to share two screens with you all. That is why. You don't have to rejoin. The meaning of aromatic is they have a particular smell. That is aromatic. Okay? Is this clear to all of you? Others also please answer. Ring, Shrutika, ring म्हणजे अंगठी. जिथे सगळे फर्स्ट आणि लास्ट दोन्ही स्ट्रक्चर्स एकमेकांना जॉईंट असतात. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ रिंग. ऑल राईट. सो नाव ओके. Okay, now what we will do is we are going to write down the series of alkanes. What is the general formula of alkanes? You please write it down in your notebook. General formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. I'm repeating the classification of hydrocarbons for you all. I'll just stop this share. Repeating the classification of hydrocarbons. You're going to repeat, this is very important. Hydrocarbons are classified as open chain, closed chain. Open chain, branched or unbranched. Saturated or unsaturated. Saturated alkanes, carbon-carbon single bond. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, carbon-carbon double bond. General formula is CnH2n. Alkynes, carbon-carbon triple bond. General formula is CnH2n minus 2, where N stands for the number of carbon atoms. N stands for number of carbon atoms. No, Bhagesh, I have not written all the notes. Let me see. When I'll finish, I'll give it to you all. All right. So now, give the heading. What I told you, you have to write down the homologous series of alkanes. Okay, so you can prepare the table like I am going to prepare now. The name of this table is, it is homologous series of alkanes. Homologous series of alkanes. Okay, this is the table. Now, what is the general formula of alkane? So here I am writing the general formula also. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. A general formula where n is equal to the number of carbon atoms. Okay, n is the number of carbon atoms. Now, so here what we will do is, suppose n, well, here you will write down the number of carbon atoms. In the second column, we have to write the molecular formula. In the third column, we have to write the molecular weight. In the fourth column, we have to write the name. Okay, and in the next column, we'll be writing the structural formula. Structural formula. Okay, so I don't think we'll require the last column, but let it be. Structures, probably I'll show it to you in the paint. Here I will just show you some basic structures. See now, number of carbon atoms. See, I'm putting the value of n is equal to 1. Okay. Now put the value of n is equal to 1 in this formula. I'll just stop the sharing of the screen and I'll show it to you in paint how you're going to calculate the molecular formula. So what was our molecular formulas of alkane? CnH2n plus 2. So you will put the value of n is equal to 1 and let me see what answer you're going to get for it. I'll show you. CnH2n प्लस 2. काय करायचं, n ची व्हॅल्यू टाकायची इकडे 1. n is equal to 1. So what you will get, C1 म्हणजे C. H 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. कॅल्क्युलेशन कळतंय का सगळ्यांना? n ची व्हॅल्यू 1 टाकायची इकडे, n is equal to 1. C1 H 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4, that is CH4. Is it clear up till here? I will send it in notes, but what I'm telling you is write down with me so that you will understand it. तुम्हाला समजायला पाहिजे हे सगळं. That is why we have to write it with me. तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट केलं माझ्यासोबत तर तुम्हाला पटकन कळणार आहे. ठीक आहे, सो हा झाला CH4. All right, now let me show you the structure also of this. ठीक आहे. Now what was our next part? We had to find out the molecular weight. बरोबर. आता बघा, कार्बनचं atomic weight आहे 12, atomic mass. हायड्रोजनचा atomic mass आहे 1. so हे कसं कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं? C12 प्लस हायड्रोजनचा 1 into 4. what you will get? 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. so 16 काय झाला त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर मास. मॉलिक्युलर वेट कॅल्क्युलेट करतो ना आपण, मॉलिक्युलर वेट कॅल्क्युलेट करतो. आता आपण स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करूया त्याचं. दिस इज कार्बन इन द सेंटर, बरोबर. त्याचे 4 हायड्रोजन, बिकॉज इट इज अ हायड्रोकार्बन. हा 1 2 3 4 H H H and H, and the name of this compound is methane. Methane. All right, look at the screen carefully. Let me know if you have any doubts. We are going to fill it in the table. Doubts आहे का? पटापट सांगा मला. Doubts आहेत का काही? सगळंच आहे का त्या टेबल मध्ये? Any doubts? Yes, I'm going to send. I'm already recording the lecture, so don't worry. I'm recording the lecture, so you can see it again. See, we have this is general formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. हा जनरल फॉर्म्युला आहे अल्केनचा. या जनरल फॉर्म्युला वरून आपण काय करतो? अल्केनची सिरीज फाइंड आउट करतो. सिरीज. आता पहिला कंपाऊंड कुठला अल्केन मधला, तर तुम्हाला कसा कळेल? याच्यामध्ये एन ची व्हॅल्यू टाका. एन ची व्हॅल्यू किती टाकायची? 1. तर इकडे मी काय केलं? C1. एच आपण किती घेतला? 2. 2 into 2 2 into 1, सॉरी, कारण एन 1 आहे. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 किती झाले? 4. सो CH4. मग आपल्याला मॉलिक्युलर मास फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. मॉलिक्युलर मास फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला ॲटॉमिक मास पाहिजे. कार्बनचा ॲटॉमिक मास आहे 12, हायड्रोजनचा 1. ऍड करा. 12 plus 1 into 4 is 16. Then I have drawn the structure. CH4 म्हणजे 1 atom of carbon, 4 atoms of hydrogen. Valency of carbon is 4, which is satisfied by hydrogens. ठीक आहे. सो आता मी काय करते? आता I'm going to fill it up in the table. सो हा जो आपण टेबल तयार केलाय त्या टेबल मध्ये फिल करूया. मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला काय आला आपला? काय आला फॉर्म्युला? CH4, बरोबर. मॉलिक्युलर वेट काय आलं आपलं? 16. नेम काय होतं त्याचं? मिथेन. अँड आय शोड यू द मॉलिक्युलर ANE. I told you how to draw the structure. Is it clear, all of you? Methane is alkenes nahi, methane is alkane. Alkane. Clear? ओके फाईन. आता आपण सेकंड करूया. सेकंड काय करायचं, n इज इक्वल टू 2 टाकायचं त्या फॉर्म्युला मध्ये. सो आय शो यू टू यू ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Let me just erase this part. Okay, all of you calculate for the next hydrocarbon. Can you calculate for the next hydrocarbon? CnH2n plus 2 मध्ये सेकंड n ची व्हॅल्यू टाका. n इज इक्वल टू 2. दुसरा काढा अल्केन, चला पटकन. Yes, Aditya is correct. Okay, Sudhanshu is also correct. Very good. So n ची व्हॅल्यू टाका बरं, चला पटापट. n is equal to 2. Substitute करा. CnH2n, C2H. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 is 6. C2H6. n is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. ठीक आहे. आता ह्याचा मॉलिक्युलर मास फाइंड आउट करा. कसा फाइंड आउट करा? कार्बनचा 12 into 2. हायड्रोजनचा 1 into 6. किती झालं हे? 24 plus 6 is 30. बरोबर. आता काय करायचं? What next you will do is, आता काढायचं ह्याचं स्ट्रक्चर. सो ह्याचं स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ करा बरं. हाऊ विल यू ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ इट? स्ट्रक्चर काढायचं. 2 कार्बन काढायचे. ओके, मी बघा कसं काढते. 2 कार्बन. 2 कार्बनच्या मध्ये यू विल ड्रॉ अ सिंगल बॉन्ड बिकॉज इट इज अल्केन. ठीक आहे. आता समजा मी कार्बनचे इलेक्ट्रॉन काढले. हा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, हा सेकंड, थर्ड आणि फोर्थ. आणि हा इलेक्ट्रॉन या कार्बनचा 1, 2, 3 आणि 4. Okay, 1 electron is gone, 3 are left. So here what will come? Hydrogen, 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 hydrogen and hydrogen. So this is C2H6. Carbon carbon single bonds everywhere. So C, H, 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 and this is called as ethane. इथेन. समजलंय सगळ्यांना? प्लीज लेट मी नो. Anybody is having any doubts in this? Yes. Okay. Come on others. This is ethane. ठीक है, fill it in the table. This is ethane. Monish, we had it last year. Last year केलंय ना आपण. Atomic mass add करतो आपण. कार्बनचा atomic mass 12 आहे. ॲटमचं 2 आहेत. कार्बन atoms 2 आहेत. So 12 into 2 करायचं. प्लस हायड्रोजनचं 1 आहे. 1 into 6 atoms of hydrogen. So 1 into 6. That will come up to 30. ओके, चला पुढचं करा. अजून 1-2 होतील आपले. Yes, unit is atomic. Yes, atomic mass unit. It is correct. Yes, Pratik is right. Okay, Yash is also right. It will be C3H8. चला, ज्यांना कळलं नाही त्यांच्यासाठी परत एकदा. चलो, आता थर्ड बघू आपण. n इज इक्वल टू 3. n इज इक्वल टू 3. काय येईल इकडे? C3. CnH2n+2 मध्ये तुमची व्हॅल्यू टाका. इट विल बी C3H8. CnH2n+2. ओके. आता त्याचा मॉलिक्युलर मास तुम्ही ऍड करू शकता. सो हिअर आय एम ड्रॉइंग 3 कार्बन. बघा, मी 3 कार्बन काढते. 1 2 3. इकडे किती हायड्रोजन राहतील? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And this is called as propane. This is called as propane. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Doubts? Questions? Come on. Yes, molecular weight is 44. Pratik, you're right. Okay. आदेश कुठे गायब झाला? Any more questions? Any more doubts? Tomorrow again we'll discuss. आपण आता टेबल फिल करूया. तो राहिलेला टेबल विल फिल.